Internal documents show how close the FBI came to deploying spyware. Christopher Wray, the FBI's director, told Congress last December that the Bureau purchased the phone hacking tool Pegasus for research purposes. Sonos BeamBS, Bose Smart Soundbar 600, which Dolby Atmos system should you buy? The two audio rivals go head-to-head on music streaming. Best iPhone 14 fast charges at the lowest prices we can find. With Apple not including a power adapter with any of the iPhone 14 models or iPhone 13 models, here's a look at several chargers that will quickly juice up any iPhone. Best heating tablets for 2022, Amazon jumps into the fray. Amazon's new 10.2-inch Kindle Scribe will allow users to write notes by hand on PDFs, but you'll need to use Amazon's sticky notes to mark up Kindle content. Keep your TV viewing habits private with the best smart TV VPNs. Your smart TV is a vector for data privacy exposure, but these VPN can help keep your viewing activity hidden from prying eyes. Further details emerge on FTX bankruptcy and missing funds. Further details on the bankruptcy of crypto exchange FTX emerged on Saturday, even as peers and partners distanced themselves from the firm, and sources told Reuters at least $1 billion of customer funds on the exchange had vanished. Microsoft Excel has unveiled an absolutely mind-blowing new feature. Images inside a Microsoft Excel cell? Tesla invites other automakers to build cars with its proprietary charging ports. Tesla says its uniquely designed connectors are the best in the industry and worthy of becoming the new national standard over the CCS plugs most other brands use. 17 best gifts for under. Great deals on everything from speakers and headphones to tech and small kitchen appliances, all for or less. Nearly half Meta job cuts were in tech, execs say. Meta Platforms told employees on Friday that 54% of the 11,000 jobs it cut earlier this week were business roles and the rest were in technology. Best sounding wireless earbuds in 2022 get top sound quality. Many people are happy with cheap true wireless headphones, but if you need something with top-notch sound, this is the list for you. Facebook parent Meta winding down some non-core hardware products. Meta Platforms is exiting its Portal smart display business and will wind down work on smartwatch projects, executives said on Friday during an employee town hall meeting. Amazon's latest warehouse robot can sort millions of items. The Sparrow robot arm promises to help streamline shipments at the e-commerce giant, but it could also raise concerns about machines replacing human Amazon workers. Bite-sized Daily is your daily source of tech news. Thank you for watching.